You want to go fishing?
Kids gone fishing, it shows you how you can make a fish bite.
Oh.
So if there's one that won't get away.
Swan. He wants to go. He wants.
Yeah. Come right up to you, huh?
Come on, Ava, feed him.
Look, throw it right here close by. They'll come up.
Oh, that's a huge swan. They're hungry. Watch it, Alex. Don't fall in. Keep an eye behind. The gorilla don't come in behind you and push you in.